get here better than the creep who killed your parents. You need to do something. You need to stop him. Good. Good.
Something's changed. You're different.
I prefer to call it a work in progress, but it does show potential.
You're trapped. There's nowhere to run.
Who said anything about running?
Sir, Scarecrow is broadcasting across Gotham. You need to see this.
How does it feel to see your city on the brink of ruin? Your friends in the clutches of death? You stretched yourself too far this time, Batman. And now your failure is all but complete. As that final dying breath escapes her body, she will know you are the one who failed her.
Alfred, he's holding Oracle at the safe house in Chinatown. I'm heading there now.
Please hurry, sir. There's no telling what he'll do to her. An APC just got picked up via the scanner, sir. The militia's increasing protection for its lieutenants. Be careful. Sir, there's been numerous sightings of the Bat creature over Bleak Island. Move fast or you'll lose him.
The look on your face when you saw him. I would have thought the big bad Batman, scared of his own reflection.
I administered the antidote, but it wasn't enough. I need to track him down and inject him again.
An APC just got picked up via the scanner, sir. The militia's increasing protection for its lieutenants. Be careful.
The militia just lost one more lieutenant.
Riddler's gonna...
Scarecrow's still on the loose. There's more tanks than ever.
Riddler's got Catwoman. Good. That little thief clawed off half my base in Arkham City.
You're going back to jail, Linz.
Scarecrow promised me Gotham. Tinder for my flame. You're all mine! I'll roast you alive! Die! You can't hold a candle to me! I'll turn you to ash! I'll make your skin crackle and burn! Is that bat suit flame-proof? Let the fire burn! Get away! You can't stop me, Batman! Gotham will be ashes by dawn!
Another run-in with Firefly, sir.
Just like the last time. He's attacking fire stations.
Perhaps he takes their work personally, sir.
Keep tabs on the other stations, Alfred. Let me know when he strikes.
Doing this. You don't have... Yeah, how about we staple your lips together? You like that? Just what I thought.
I want to hear you cry. He's here!
My God, I've never seen anyone do what you just did.
It's okay, Lieutenant. You're safe.
I tried, Batman. I tried to help, but I wasn't strong enough.
It's not your fault.
Wherever flames may rage, give me strength to save a life. Those ain't just words. We're supposed to live them. Find the others, please.
Wait here. An officer will take you to safety.
Scarecrow pulling this on Halloween. Guess he's got a sense of humor after all.
thought Arkham City was fun, but this is another level.
What? We hurry all the way here and Crane's killed her already? He's got no sense of occasion.
We both know fear is theatrics, Batman. So permit me the indulgence of putting on this show.
Ooh. Maybe I got bag-faced wrong. Oh, here comes the toxin. I can practically taste it.
What's happening?
Barbara!
Yes, you see it now. The horror behind the glass.
No.
The monster that will be your end. Unless you pick up that gun and deny him.
No.
Don't listen!
Please, no!
Barbara, it's me! Your friend.
You won't get me. I won't let you get me.
You will bring death to all who follow you.
Sir, what's happened?
She's gone, Alfred.
What do you mean?
Barbara. Scarecrow was punishing me. He killed her.
No. Oh, my... Well, sir, we need to focus. The people of Gotham need you.
I should have protected her, Alfred. She's dead because of me.
Sir, please listen. Stagg's files have revealed what the cloudburst does. It's a dispersal device. Sir, don't you see? Scarecrow has the means to engulf the entire city in fear toxin. You stopped him from making it operational, but it's only a matter of time. Sir, did you hear me?
He heard you. He's wondering how he can live with himself.
Master Bruce.